Hi guys, welcome back. This is my lame attempt at Princess Leia. I hope you like it. I think it's pretty cute, but they're awesome earmuffs actually. They're not earmuffs, this is my actual hair, but they would act as cool earmuffs, I think. Well, may the 4th be with you. Today is May 4th, as you all know. Thank you for tuning in and watching this. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the notification bell and subscribe and hit that bell so that you know of any other future videos. But today, because it is May 4th, and there's always this pun, may the 4th be with you, or originally it was may the force be with you, but you know, may the 4th be with you. So I decided to join in on that, and I created this cute little Yoda. I love him. He turned out so super cute. So if you want to know how to draw this, watch the video and like and subscribe and share it to everybody. If you guys have something that you want to see, please leave it in the comment below. And just thank you for all your generosity. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, it's at Katz. And just watch the video, guys. Thanks for watching. hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everybody that has left comments on my previous videos. And if you're going to leave a comment on this, so thank you ahead of time. And may the 4th be with you. I hope you guys had a fabulous day. Watch some Star Wars movies if you would like. And I hope you enjoyed Yoda. I think he turned out super good. Let me get him off the shelf I have here. I love him. I think I'm going to turn it into a pin. If you guys are interested in a pin in this style, let me know. I'm planning to do hard enamel pins of different styles, and I thought this guy's going to definitely be one of them. So yeah, like I said, this is my real hair, guys. To prove it. Yeah, that took a while to loop up. So yeah, I have a lot of hair. So thank you, Princess Leia, for creating that style that I was able to use all this wonderful hair. So thanks, guys. Please subscribe, okay? Right now. Hit that button down below. Hit the notification bell. Follow us at Katz Arts for any future videos, as well as on Instagram. Thanks, guys. Bye. See you soon.